Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding step stools that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you need a sturdy step stool for reaching high shelves, a portable stool for outdoor use, or a reliable stool for supporting heavy loads, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the A-Step Folding Step Stool. This compact yet sturdy stool is designed with kids and adults in mind, supporting up to 300 pounds of weight. One of its standout features is the ergonomic carrying handle, which makes folding and transporting the stool a breeze. It folds flat in seconds with just one hand, making it highly portable and convenient to store. Safety is a top priority here, with rubber dots on the surface and anti-slip feet, ensuring excellent grip. Plus, the rounded corners and squash-proof design add an extra layer of protection, especially for younger users. The A-Step stool's build quality is impressive, made from tough, heavy-duty plastic that meets EN 14183 certification standards for safety and durability. Measuring 9 inches tall, it's perfect for quick tasks like reaching high shelves, helping kids at the sink, or even for outdoor activities like camping. However, it's important to note that this stool is best suited for dry and flat surfaces, which might limit some use cases. Overall, the A-Step Folding Step Stool is a great option for users who want a lightweight, portable solution for everyday tasks. While it's not the tallest or most heavy-duty stool on the list, it's an affordable and safe choice for indoor and light outdoor use. Pros include its compact design, portability, and safety features. However, it's not ideal for prolonged outdoor exposure or heavy-duty tasks. At number 4 on our list is the Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. This stool is a versatile and reliable option for both kids and adults, boasting a 300-pound weight capacity. Its standout feature is its one-flip opening mechanism, which makes setting it up incredibly quick and easy. The grip stepping surface and anti-slip feet add an extra layer of safety, even in slightly damp conditions. Whether you're using it in the kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom, this stool offers excellent stability and peace of mind. In terms of design, the Handy Laundry Stool is compact and space-saving. It folds flat to fit into tight spaces like drawers, between appliances, or even under the bed. Despite its lightweight build, the stool feels sturdy and well-constructed. The ergonomic handle makes it portable and easy to carry around the house. While it's not the tallest stool on this list at 9 inches, it's highly functional for everyday tasks like reaching high cabinets or assisting kids at the sink. What sets the Handy Laundry Stool apart is its excellent value for the price. It's affordable without compromising on safety or durability. However, its lower height might not be sufficient for tasks requiring a higher reach. Overall, this stool is perfect for families or individuals looking for a reliable, compact, and budget-friendly option. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of use, and safety features, while its limited height might be a drawback for some. Coming in at number 3 is the Delxo Folding Step Stool. This stool offers a little extra height at 13 inches, making it a fantastic option for those harder-to-reach areas. Designed to support up to 300 pounds, it's suitable for both kids and adults. The grip dot textured surface and rubber feet provide excellent stability, while the rounded edges ensure safety during use. Its slim profile when folded means you can easily store it in narrow spaces, like between cabinets or under furniture. The Delxo stool is built with versatility in mind. Whether you're using it indoors in the kitchen or outdoors for camping, this stool is lightweight and portable enough to take anywhere. It features a folding bar that adds structural support, preventing it from collapsing under weight. It's also CPC certified for safety, giving you peace of mind, especially if kids will be using it. In terms of drawbacks, the Delxo stool is slightly heavier than some of the other options on this list, which might make it less convenient to carry for extended periods. However, its sturdy build, added height, and excellent safety features make it a great choice for families or individuals who need a reliable step stool for both indoor and outdoor use. Pros include its taller height, durable build, and versatile functionality, while its heavier weight might be a minor inconvenience. Our runner-up is the ACO folding step stool. Like the Delxo stool, this one offers a 13-inch height, providing that extra reach for taller tasks. It's designed to support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for both kids and adults. The anti-slip surface and rubber feet ensures stability, while the rounded corners and squash-proof design enhance safety. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to fold and carry, allowing you to transport it effortlessly around the house or outdoors. The ACO stool stands out for its heavy-duty plastic construction, which feels durable and robust. It's perfect for tasks in the kitchen, bathroom, or garden, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. This stool also folds flat to just 1 inch thick, making it a great space-saving option for small homes or apartments. While the ACO stool is an excellent choice overall, it doesn't offer any groundbreaking features compared to the Delxo stool, which is why it lands in second place. However, its solid build, reliable safety features, and portability make it a strong contender for anyone in need of a dependable folding step stool. Pros include its sturdy design, easy portability, and compact storage, while its lack of unique features might be a downside for some. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the HB Tower 3-step ladder. This isn't just a step stool. It's a full-featured ladder designed for maximum functionality and safety. With its 44-inch maximum height and 330-pound weight capacity, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks, from cleaning ceiling fans to organizing shelves. The ergonomic cushioned handle adds comfort and stability, while the wide, anti-slip pedals ensure a secure footing. What sets the HB Tower apart is its thoughtful design. The steel frame is incredibly sturdy, and the lock-free mechanism ensures the ladder stays secure while in use. The TPR feet prevent floor damage and reduce noise, making it a great option for indoor use. Despite its robust build, the ladder folds flat for easy storage, fitting behind doors or in closets. It's even versatile enough to double as a plant stand when not in use, adding a decorative touch to your space. While the HB Tower is the priciest option in this roundup at $39.99, its superior build quality, added height, and multifunctional design make it well worth the investment. This ladder is ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a reliable, high-quality step stool for larger tasks. Pros include its exceptional stability, ergonomic design, and versatile usage. The only con is its heavier weight, which might make it less portable than smaller stools. Overall, it's the best choice for those who want a premium step stool that delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right folding step stool for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have any questions about the products we covered today? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.